right, so we're gonna continue
Yeah.
making the charm,
Yeah.
right, Ella?
Yeah, but the circle shouldn't be colored.
Everything is now dry,
Yeah.
so we can start putting them together, right?
Yeah.
All right.
But first, we're gonna open these.
Okay, open.
So
Let's see what's
gonna
inside. Oh, we need the beads. We need the.
These are beads.
Okay, we need this thing.
Actually, these are beads.
Mm-hmm.
So let's first open the beads. Yeah, I can open them. So the beads are gonna go on that. So how do you open these beads?
All right. Easy peasy.
These are different kind of beads.
Okay, let's see the difference. Okay, hold on.
It's looking. Wow, they're so beautiful like that one.
Now we need this. Okay, first thing first, right?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Oh, how are we gonna put them together, huh? Let's see. I can see now what are we gonna do. First,
We
we
get
need
the
the
circle.
flower. We need the... Oh, the flower goes all the way on top. Like this. And we need one butterfly. Give me butterfly from here.
Okay. Oh, the butterflies are green? I thought they're pink. How do you... Oh.
Is there any pink butterfly?
No, they're green.
No, there should be pink. Do you want a container to put? What did you do with this? Did you touch it with something? What have you done?
I don't know.
Why did you ruin it?
Here.
Why are you ruining them?
Sorry. So here's our butterfly. The stars are
Ella,
pink.
you have... okay, take... Do you want... Yeah, butterfly will be cute because see, it has pink color, so... How are we gonna do this though? Maybe first we should put these things on with glue.
Yeah. So where's the glue? Oh, there it is. This is the glue.
Careful with the glue. All right, let's easy put on the table.
Yeah, because some of them are like tiny, I think.
Okay, let's glue first.
I'm gonna put the gray ones over here. Huh? How about we put gray ones over here?
Yeah, we can do something like this here.
So the gray ones
One,
here.
it's not gray, it's white, Ella.
Oh.
One pink we can do. No, pink looks even better on this.
Yeah.
Look at that.
We could all do them pink?
Pink. We can do one white, one pink.
Oh yeah.
First put and see what looks better.
I think the...
First you can put
I think
one
the
by one.
white. I think the white. I don't know. Maybe... I think the white because to me the way white.
Ella John, can you put please? Can you continue working? Yeah, continue working. No, not on top. We need those holes, Jana. Just a little down.
Does the white look good? I think
They
the
look
white.
good. White and pink. White and pink.
They both look good?
We always smile, right, Ella, while doing activity?
Oh yeah. It's hard for me to smile.
In true.
God, this is a hard work one.
All right. So we decided to do.
White.
Yeah. Okay. Now we're gonna glue.
All the whites.
Ella, show me the flower. Show me the flower. What you become. And the other side. I'm here, Ella.
Oh.
You didn't know I'm here? Sense Mickey Jason Spy. Very good.
I changed my mind. Over here is pink.
Okay, let me see. Okay. So we just put some beautiful
Yeah. I just changed my mind.
rhinestone, whatever they call.
I
Right?
think these are
I think the other side we're gonna put again, but we have to wait until this one dries.
Yes.
Okay.
Then I put a pile here. That's what I'm gonna do with these the
Okay.
same time.